Alright, Sam's here with me. We've assembled our upright, we've assembled our D-return, and now what we're going to do is we're going to bring all these components together with a partially assembled piece that we already have over here in the corner, and we're going to put this whole railing together for you. So I think we're going to start off with our bottom rail. So what we're going to do is, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to install this bottom rail. And the bottom rail is part of the ADA spec, which you need to have these installed on your landings and on your ramps. And on really any part of your ADA rail that's going to be above, just level ground. So this kind of prevents a wheelchair from slipping off the side. So, all right, so we got the bottom rail in. So Sam's going to swing over and bring in the top rail. Put that in there. All right, and then we're going to try to line up this rail with some holes that we have already drilled into this particular piece of pipe. Now, for this part of the project, what we're using is we're using some of these self-drilling screws, which they'll just cut right into the steel. So we don't supply these, you'll have to find them at your local hardware store. Right, and that brings that top rail down nice and snug against this angle fitting. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to install this mid rail. Whoop, forgot our fitting. Nice thing is with those fittings, you can just slip them on and off if they're in the way. And same thing on this one. Just going to drill right into the bottom of it. Alright, now you see we have this assembly here, and it represents, a typical ADA rail that might be built on a ramp. And so what we're going to go ahead and do next is we're going to stand up here in a second and we're going to put on the D-return. Alright, Sam and I are here with the D-return, and we're going to go ahead and put in the final piece of the railing, see how this thing looks. We're going to go ahead and use some more of these 514 internal couplings to attach the D-return. Slide these in here. Right in there. It's definitely the part of the project where it helps to have another set of hands. Go ahead and once you tighten that top one down. And have it. Want to make sure you get everything so that it's nice and smooth.
And lastly, you want to tighten these down so you get it nice and snug.
Once you tighten that down, finish your ADA railing. Nice, smooth, continuous handrail surface, no welding, no threading. We did a little drilling, we did a little tightening, we had to do some measuring. That's it. Simple, cost-effective ADA solution.